Poetic miniature. Rolling eggs. A circle in spring. Sometimes a day begins with laughter that rolls down a hill, like a small, colorful wonder. This series invites you to notice such moments, the playful ones, the light ones, the ones that live in the circle of spring. Today a new poetic miniature opens, a small story about rolling eggs, and about how a simple game can carry the spring into the heart. Rolling eggs, a circle in spring. The hill is soft with young grass, and the eggs rest in the hand like tiny promises. A push, a roll, a laughter that blends with the wind. The colors spin, becoming lines, spirals, a small circle of the year greeting the spring. Perhaps that is what moves me, that this rolling is not only a game, but an image of moving on, of luck that sometimes begins with a gentle motion. A poem for the rolling eggs. An egg that rolls, a circle speaks, a spring that through the laughter peaks, a colored trail in tender green, a start that feels both small and keen. Two fitting sayings. Some joys begin with a gentle push, and a circle always finds its way back to the light. Perhaps this miniature leaves a light, bright feeling within you. A rolling that reminds you that movement need not be loud to carry you. If you like, take the circle with you into your day. Just as the egg glides down the hill, something in you may begin to flow. Thank you for giving yourself this minute. Until the next poetic miniature.